Welcome to Diesel Engine Rebuilders. My name is John. Kind of want to talk about some of the engines that we build here. Well, we basically build all of them. Doesn't matter what it is. If it's a diesel engine, we'll rebuild it. So we strip all of our blocks down to bare metal. This thing will actually go into the hot tank, and we'll strip every piece of paint off of this thing and totally cleaned up. Check the line bore on it, cut the block, cut counter bores as needed. This is an ISX 12. It destroyed itself. Again, the high pressure fuel pump took out the gear train on this thing, which also took out the crankshaft. Block is still good though, so we'll just end up putting a new crankshaft into this block and building it up. This is a process that takes about 3 to 4 weeks per engine. Doesn't matter what engine it is. It always takes us about 4 weeks to build an engine. And this is a giant jigsaw puzzle. So if you guys like jigsaw puzzles, come check us out.